When using your LG over-the-range microwave oven, you may notice some common sounds during its normal operations. These sounds may be from various sources. In this video, we will walk through these most common sounds. The turntable, located here on the bottom of the microwave cavity, rotates to help heat the food evenly. It's normal for grease and food particles to build up around the turntable and wheels, which could cause some noises. Properly maintain your turntable and roller rings by removing and cleaning them with warm water and soap, using a soft towel or sponge. Make sure they are completely dry before properly reinserting them back into place. Incorrect positioning may also cause noise. While cooking, you will notice a slight hum coming out of your microwave oven. This hum is completely normal and is caused by the magnetron, which emits microwaves that cook your food. Depending on your power setting, the magnetron will cycle on and off, therefore the humming sound will be intermittent. Your over-the-range microwave oven has a fan that will remove the smoke from the cooktop, but also helps to cool the electronics in your microwave. Depending on which LG model you own, the fan may automatically start during the use of the microwave oven to cool the electronics, creating a fan noise. This is also completely normal. Sometimes your microwave chassis may not be completely flush to the cabinets. This can cause a slight vibration and noise. If bolts, screws, and mounting brackets are not firmly installed, this too can cause noise from vibration. When cooking greasy or fatty foods, the heat generated in the microwave oven will cause the food to pop and splatter. Make sure to cover these items properly to help reduce any unwanted buildup. LG makes it convenient to cook your meals when you are on the go and when time is limited. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope that you enjoy your LG experience.